Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write a 10-line essay on the Postman. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, the postman is an important public servant. Second line is, he wears a khaki uniform. Third line is, his duty is to deliver letters, small parcels, and money orders. Fourth line is, no matter what the weather is, he does his duty every day. Fifth line is, people eagerly wait for him. Next line is, he is always welcomed around. Seventh line is, his duty is very hard, but he gets very meager pay. Eighth line is, he works hard the whole day. Ninth line is, he is a useful member of the society. Last line is, we must respect him and acknowledge his work.